Hey folks, it's Paul once again, your direct mail specialist with Crazy Cash Flyer mail order system, Crazy Cash postcard mail order system 2023, Crazy Cash mailer, the Crazy Cash Flyer. The reason why I'm saying that at the beginning of the video is just to give a little value here. When you do your videos, and I don't know, sometimes when I get with a program, my other colleagues, which I like to call colleagues, those are in the program, my videos start ranking pretty rapidly, and I'm willing to give my competitors some value as well, because, some of us want to keep all the secrets to ourselves. I've been in video marketing for some time now, and I blew up service businesses. If you look up Angie's Attic Care LLC here in the state of New Jersey, I named it after my wife, you'll see my videos rank high. Animal Wildlife Removal NJ, another company that we have that still exists, by the way, and we still make a profit from. You'll see if you do bat removal, Freehold, New Jersey, if you do squirrel removal, raccoon removal, you'll see my crazy face there. We rank #1 in the state of New Jersey for video marketing. But it was a learning curve. When you first start out, you try to do it yourselves. You use different softwares and tools. I presently use Blaster Suite. I use vidIQ. I can see my competitors where they rank. If I see they're ranking 45, 55, I've gotten mine up to 95 to 100% SEO on my videos. And the reason why I said the keywords that I'm targeting at the beginning of the video is because Google's algorithms pick up on those keywords. So forgive me for just rattling off keywords. I'm not trying to do any video hack or anything, although it's a legitimate hack, maybe you could call. Anyway, hey, listen, I didn't come here for all that. I want to show you up close what we do, us direct mail guys and gals. I like to show you up close. And as I was working here in my office, I have a window outside, and I saw the UPS guy come. Hey, when I see that brown uniform, man, I get excited. And I'm going to tell you the truth, I almost fell, because I want to see him. I want to tip him sometimes, because it's like Christmas to me and to us. We get these cards. I'm going to get right into it. Put my cheaters on. All right. So this is the packages that you'll be receiving. This is actually 18 pounds. 1,000 flyers. 18 pounds. And let's open it up and I can show you. Let me try to get a better shot for you. All right. Okay, so I'll get out my trusty knife here. I call her Bella. Okay, Bella, do your thing. So, you open them up, and I'll walk you through exactly what we do. Don't cut yourself, by the way. Sometimes you get excited, you wind up getting a little nick. So here they are, folks. Oh, by the way, this is from Print Founders. And Print Founders is the bomb. I'm going to be honest with you. Print Founders, as well as Vista Print, they are definitely the go-to. And big shout out to Kendall Johnson, my mentor and coach. I've had so many promised sponsors and coaches that went into the witness protection program. I don't know. they're on the phone with you, until you jump in and give them their money to sign up under them. And I always say they go into the witness protection program. But Kendall Johnson, my mentoring coach, again, big shout out. Ken, if you're watching this, thank you, man. I can get on the phone I can call him right now. And 99.99% of the time, Ken is going to answer that phone for me with any questions I have or anything. And big shout out to James Truss. He goes live every day, man. He's my boy too. But here they are. They're two-sided flyers, and what I like about Print Founders is if you feel a piece of paper, these are nice gloss. Listen, when the people get this in their hands, when they open these up, and by the way, every 100 that goes out, folks, these have psychological triggers. For every 100 that go out, seeing 2 to 3 sales of $450 a pop, 100 goes to the admin. You want to do that quickly. You want to get these people, just like they come within a few days, the starter's kit. The starter kit will come with 300 stamps, 300 buyer leads. There's stickers that you put on the your envelope, and some of us use different types of envelopes. Folks, don't laugh. I go to Walmart. And I get these. Because when I'm doing it, I have a system down. See, these have you could do it with your tongue, which I didn't just do because I don't like the taste of that. So I use a sponge, a new sponge. And the end of it, I can just go zip. And the way I do it, you can see how fast I do them. Practice makes listen, accuracy before speed. That's what I'm trying to say. Practice makes perfect, but accuracy before speed. Just do it slow, get it accurate, and then you're going to start picking up speed. And if you have your kids with you, your wife, they're going to help you too. They're going to jump in too. You want to get it done. And listen, you can knock out, a couple hundred, a few hundred, an hour and a half or so, and go on with your day. I hear some of the other videos, they say, can you mail out 10 a day? Can you mail out 20? Hey, listen, 10, you'll make money doing 10 a day, 20 a day, but hey, once you do that and you see the results in it, folks, you're going to start doing as many as you can in a day. And you can even pay, like my sister Linda, her and her husband are retired now. But, she comes over, for a few bucks, you give them $50, $100 for a few hours, they can help you. And in 2023, hey, listen, 2023 is here. Excuse me, let me put this down. Oh, slow ahead. It's 18 pounds of flyers. But I don't see 18 pounds of flyers, though. I see cold hard cash. So I want to get these out today. Am I getting 1,000 out in the next couple of days? I'm knocking it out of the park. That's right. If I have to do it by myself, because it is a numbers game. And the Crazy Cash Flyer, you can get a postcard, but I like the flyers. Crazy Cash Flyer is a very lucrative program, folks. And it doesn't take much to start. It's $450 to join. I have my information below. If you want to do it quick, you can cash at me at Paulie B 7777. I think that's my handle, Cash App. And I'll get it out to you. I'll send it right out as soon as you cash at me the $450. And P.S., when I say that, I know there's some homeless people out there, and I want to help you. But at the same time, I don't want someone else call me Crazy Cash Flyer and saying, Paulie, what are you doing? you're knocking it down. And listen, if I can help you, if I could take off $50, or if you really, really, if you're in a motel, there's a story about a fella who was in a Motel 8, and he had his wife and kids in there, 5 kids. And he started off doing this. And now he's got it going on. And, he lives in a home in a middle-class neighborhood. He just paid off a SUV. He tells his story. Hey, tell your story. Your stories are strong. We all have a bestseller, and this is my story. I'm 62 years old. I'm slowing down. In the pest control wildlife business, I'm an exterminator. I go out in the field and I get on people's roofs and all this other stuff. But hey, I got most athletic in high school. I still got a little something there. But hey, it comes time where you have to plan for your retirement. And I could have been retired already, but there's some people who you can't retire. I see some people who retire who in a few years they pass on. But I'm an entrepreneur. I think I'm going to go until I drop. You might be in the same shoes I am. So let's get it going. Go fill out the information. If you can't do CashApp, $4.50, give me a call. Work it out. If you can't send postal money order, or you can even send cash, you can take the same flyer and put that cash right in here. This is how we fold them up. I fold them up like this. Some people use the other side. They like the person, but I fold them up like this. So when people open up the envelope, they see it right away, the crazy cash. And then they open it up, and then they look at the two sides. Folks, this converts. Seriously. You want to get going direct mail. If you've been struggling online with all these different, if you have shiny object syndrome, which I think we all have in internet marketing, you're focused, you join one program, and there's another one coming, and you can't spread yourself thin. If you're first starting, you want to focus in, and there's no other program. And this is offline. If you're struggling online, come offline to direct mail marketing. It's trending right now. The wave is coming back. Come on. I don't need to talk you into it. And I always say monkeys could do this business. Thanks for stopping by. Thank you for your time. And I want to talk to you more, but I got to go. I'm anxious to get these flyers out. Join me today. I'll be your coach and sponsor. My number is 862-658-2086. Again, that number is 862-658-2086. Give me a call. We'll talk. God bless. Bye-bye.